Hello, my name is Nelson Shaw. I'm a steel artist, formerly trained. I've been doing this for about 30 years, and I'm looking forward to working with Chris Smith and Robert Held in combination to create a visual experience that is different from anything that you'd normally see by one artist. And being a collaboration, everybody brings their own ideas to it, and conceptually we're all on the same page, but it's what happens when all those dynamics come together. And so it should be an exciting exhibition given everyone's talents.